Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, TonethVlog. Today I would like to share you about how to wrap a new tape on a road bike handlebar. I share this video in different ways. If you see other website, you can see they wrap from the bottom of the handlebar up to the top. But my opinion, my idea is a good way to wrap the new tape on the handlebar. We don't need the tape to wrap it on. So I wrap from the top and then rolling around until to the bottom. So we don't need it. We don't need any tape to put it on anymore. So this is new tape. I have new tape. So I will show you on my video. You're gonna see, and then you can do yourself at home if you have your road bike, you have problem, and then your tape is too old, and then you would like to change a new one. So you just buy tape from the shop, and then you do yourself at home. And you can see my video, and then you just need only tools like this, and then you need only some cutter like this, and some tools over here. So anything you need for this, you cut is a bit shorter or longer. So I rotate I wrap from the top of the handlebar until to the bottom. So you can see on this video, and then you do yourself. Thank you. You see, if your handlebars round one is not the big one, the flat one. So we need a tube of the brake cable, put it in front, and then you just need this tape to wrap it on in case this one is not staying stable, so it's moving. So you need a tape to wrap it around, and then just stay right here. And then you do like this, and your handlebars, you see, like very good looking. Yeah. So from the top. I like to roll from the top like this. This one, and they have two tape wrap around. At the double one. And you just go like this. You can see this one is the stick, and you just put up like this on. We don't need a tape like this. Normally, if you roll from the bottom up to the top, you need this tape to put it on here to fix it on. But this kind of wrapping is not, no need this one. So pretty much. has destroyed this part, so I need a new tape. I don't need to go to the bike shop, so I do myself, and then I think it's very useful for you and for everyone. If you don't like to go to bring your bike to the bike shop, so that you can do yourself at home. This one very cheap. Cheap, not cheap for this country, but cheap for see this, and the distance from this and this. It is the same distance or not, from here to here, from here to here. So like this. Bottom. Yeah. I like to carry in front because everybody wants to be lighter. It's easy to carry. Okay, now it's wrapping around. Now it's already done. See this? Yeah, it's lovely. Now we don't need tape to wrap under here, from here. So because we start to wrap from the top,